My name is Natalie Cantacasino, and I'm from Stockholm, Sweden. I'm a photographer based in Tokyo. I shoot mainly food and culture, but I also shoot fashion and other things. I visited the chef at local restaurant in Meguro, Tokyo. This place is popular for its vegetable-based dishes, prepared by a chef from California. I used a pure creative picture control for this shot. I really liked the calm and soft tones. I often shoot with film cameras, and I felt that the pure picture control was very close to the texture of film. Because you can adjust the settings to your own liking, and I was able to shoot images that suited my own taste. I used the skin softening function for this shoot. I set the effect to a low setting. The subject was pleased with the beautiful impression of her skin without any retouching. I used the touch function when shooting through the viewfinder. The focus point moves with the movement of my finger on the LCD screen. I was able to shoot intuitively without losing focus. The next stop was Potter Takemura's studio in Matsudo, Chiba Prefecture. This time, I photographed the ceramic process in black and white. When I'm shooting for a story, I often don't have a lot of time to set up the camera. With the ZF, I can use the selector to quickly switch to black and white, which really helps me to keep my concentration. The ZF has 3 modes to choose from: standard monochrome, flat monochrome, and deep tone monochrome. This time I used a flat monochrome, which is closer to my aesthetic. I really like the flat monochrome because it has a very mid-tonal gradation. And even though it is monochrome, it gives a very soft impression. It gives skin tones a smooth look. So I think this mode can also be used for portraits as well. The process of making the ceramic vessels was very interesting, so I shot a video of it. I wanted this video to feel cinematic, so I shot it with the creative picture control, set to toy. I thought the original settings might have a little too much contrast, so I set it to 70% to match my image. I shot this shot in 60p, exported it to 24p, and slowed it down by 2.5 times. I could capture the serene atmosphere of the workshop in a very cinematic way. First of all, I was surprised how light it is. It can be used in so many situations. You can travel with it. You can take it along working professionally. It has a very timeless look that I like. It doesn't draw too much attention to itself, so if you choose to take this camera out on the streets and maybe shoot portraits of people, and yeah, it suits for a lot of people for different purposes.